Hello everyone, we're Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing September 2024 Patreon video. Be looking at D&D, Warhammer, War tabletop proxy stuff, and figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. If there's Patreon I haven't mentioned or you want me to look at, please leave it down in the comments below. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below, and let's get started. So we got Heroes Infinite. This would be a good Warhammer proxy. We are doing more Chaos. Chaos Part 2 for it as well. And we'll get this thing going so you guys see what we got. I have some Chaos Army, but not a lot. It's just that I have a lot of backlog of painting really have to do, but a lot of this stuff looks really good. Especially a lot of their vehicles as well. So I am going to be printing these one day. It's just I have a shitload of Warhammer stuff I have to paint again. It doesn't help when you go to school. So, but a lot of these looks really good. If you don't mind having female characters as your proxies, because I really don't mind. The bigger, the better. The more lewd is. I like it. But we got the sorcerer, chaos sorcerer, right as well. I don't know if you guys still use chaos sorcerers. I know third edition Warhammer you guys did, and I used it on mine. But yeah, we got some nice looking jetpacks. I think this one's gonna be more toward. They got some Nurgle stuff modifications as well, but this one looks good to one of the Wolf Titan. Yeah, I think it looks really good. And you can Nurglify it too with tentacles. Got the troops, cultist, Chaos Space Knight, Devastators, Storm Ripper, an amazing centerpiece that comes with it. Big ass freaking ATV modified too. That looks a lot better than Games Workshop one, I'll tell you that. I know people like to kit bash and stuff as well. It's just, I don't mind kit bashing, it just takes a lot of time for it. But I do like these a lot. You get multiple of these guys. But yeah. But I don't know if the Space Marine is still red. They just turned black because back then they were red. Now they're black because they have the World Eater towards the end as well. So I don't know what the color scheme I go with. They're probably reddish black for it. Looks like a dreadnought. Cool looking freaking dreadnought for it. I forgot what these things called. The scorpion ones. These guys look cool too. I do like this. You can probably get this put under like on a Mad Max scenery for it as well. A lot of freaking terrain pieces too. I need to make space in the closet. I know keep saying I want to do stuff in the closet, but it's gonna take a while. But I think that'll be it for now. Next is Arch Villain Games. We got the fantasy and sci-fi version of it as well. Let's look at it. So we have the fantasy, Dreams of Monondia and Artemis Rising. Usually this is a good proxy for Warhammer as well. This looks kind of cool. Looks like a demon plant something coming out from this plant. We got looks like some kind of ship carrier for it. We got some lizards. Lizards with tentacles out of his mouth. Which one is this? Zardi, some kind of a freaking a yak and a goat, folks, screwing. These are like sand people from the desert. So I know we're doing a desert thing. There's a djinn. I don't know what kind of djinn that is. There's different types of djinn, especially the older ones. There are some creepy ass djinns too in the old AD&D D&D books. So they could be evil djinns and stuff. This looks like one of one of the one of the Titan movies. Looks like what they got a lot of the stuff from. But it looks good so far. Problem is, I have no desert campaign that I'm planning on. But some of the stuff like this, you can probably put in a mountain or a hill. looks like it's some kind of a ogre slash troll. It looks kind of interesting. There's a scorpion guy. Scorpion girl. Those those creatures are really rare to find. Not really anywhere else. We got some, that's gonna be a good custodies right there. Looks like we got some custody proxies, to tell you the truth. That might be a good custody. This, I don't know what kind of proxy you're gonna have. That'll look like a good custody proxy. I don't know if custody has jetpacks. So yeah. Well, let me know what you guys think of it. There's not really much on the fantasy. There's a lot, and I'm sorry, not much aside, but a lot in fantasy. Clay and Cyanide, they don't usually show stuff towards the end of the month. They're doing a Black Wukong stuff for this month. But we'll look at what we had. It was the Geese Yankee ones that we did. That they did. If you do the Spelljammer style type of game for it. But yeah, that was last month. But this month they're doing Black Wukong, or Son Goku, or the Monkey King, for it. This month for my mini Monster Mayhem, we got Technotron, big alien with heavy armor with a big ass gun. I can see this as a proxy for one of the Warhammer. I think I'll see these as Parch Necron, or one of the Dark Eldars that you might have to modify for it. I think you can chaosify it too if you add some couple skulls, but that'll be really up to you. They do look cool. It's just really weird. my mini mayhem, they do some weird ass shit sometimes. I like the Halloween ones they always do, that I always get. But yeah, it's just weird. I have no idea what to do with it, because last month was Pokemon, and I like that realistic tiles Pokemon for the game. But yeah, Printed Deception. We got Gecko Rise. So we got two-headed gecko, I show gecko and a little gecko bard. So you have a gecko folk for your D&D campaign needs. Geckonoids. Let me know if you do enjoy it. Twin Goddess miniatures. For this month, we have I think 5 figures and a displacer beast, goblin. We have looks like a Thiefling Ranger with a Displacer Beast. You have a Moth Lady. Displacer Beast. Looks like an Artificer. Thiefling Artificer. Some kind of a Knight. Or a Paladin. And a Goblin, probably a Goblin Barbarian for it. Epic, if you want to get a lot of miniature just for a small amount of stuff, this is probably good because it's like $10. I don't know if you can really see down here is all this freaking terrain and stuff like that, but I'm trying to figure out. We got some clockwork and some miniature. We got a Mimic Watchtower. We got Pegasus and Unicorn, looks like it. But we're going to go down and look at the bigger picture because my eyes aren't that great. So we got Age of Dragons. A Mirrored on Fire, so basically a fire elemental. Cobalt minions. I do want to get a Cobalt that looks like dog, the old school Cobalt that doesn't look like dog. A Lizard Swarm. I don't have that yet. Bipedal Dragon. You got a giant dragon hunter, so it looks like a storm giant. So probably hunting dragons. A dwarf king. We got a guard Drake's sliver. Silver Drake, let's just say dwarf raider. A lot of them. Classic dragon. Queen Tiamat Avatar. That'll probably be good to have. I think these are 25 millimeter scale. Dismiss Wyvern. A half dragon adventure. Back then they were never called Dragonborn. They were called half dragon. Back in AD&D. Dragonborn didn't came out till like 3.5. Especially with the Dragonomicon. The only way you can be a Dragonborn if you're like basically, you know, you're human or whatever humanoid, you know, you're apostle of a Bahamut, and Bahamut make you reborn into a Dragonborn. Stuff like that. I think that's how it worked back then, but they changed it. A lot of the stories for it, but yeah. But Platinum Paladins, well, there's a lot now. Platinum Dragon, that's basically Bahamut. He's the only Platinum Dragon that's out there. That's Bendy. That's a different one. But you get the gist of it. Anyhow, I hope you guys do like these. Subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon, Discord. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.